Hey, welcome back, guys. Carnival to Banker on Cup of Joe in full effect. And yeah, I promise you we're going to be having a little discussion about a virtual carnival. It's coming up, but first I roll out a recipe. Courtesy to the folks at Adam's Sauces. But I want to introduce a guest on set. You know, we've had Johan Chuckery with us, and joining us now is Nyssa Pierre. She's our public relations specialist. She's of Pear Tree Consulting. Nyssa, welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
You eat shrimp?
I do.
You eat shrimp?
I'm happy to eat shrimp. This is fitting me on my pretend carnival day.
Very well, very well, very well. Johan Chuckery is still with us. But we need a drink. Yeah. We need a drink for Nyssa. So Master Mixologist Tyrone is Tyrone. Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Tyrone Benjamin, Master Mixologist today. Nyssa.
Thanks for my fruit salad.
Yeah. So let me get cracking with this recipe, guys. I'm so glad you both like shrimp because see the folks at Adam's Sauces, they have a range of wonderful sauces. If you know Adam's Sauces, it's dynamite sauces, and you can use it as a condiment. It's very easy to use as a condiment, but you can also use it to make some fantastic dishes. Simple, easy to do. Just as how we can pull together that cocktail that Tyrone did while we were watching virtual, doing some easy snacks.
So there's the all-inclusive snacks then?
These are the all-inclusive section. You get past through my section and pick up.
Anytime.
So very quickly, guys, I have some shrimp that I seasoned very basic, salt, pepper, not heavily seasoned, very, very basic salt and pepper. And I'm just gonna add some parsley, chopped up parsley. So it's a herb and honey mustard shrimp. I have some thyme leaves that I took from Tyrone. Tyrone had some lovely thyme. Yeah, I said I'm not gonna let all that time go in the drink alone. Yeah, no. So I just kind of toss the herbs together with the shrimp. To that, I add a touch of olive oil, just a little touch. I just like to add olive oil. Olive oil is delicious. I like a little kick. I hope you guys don't mind a little kick.
Yeah.
Adam's pepper sauce is a win. And you see how I use this a lot. So yeah, just a little dab of pepper sauce. I'm a slight pepper guy.
Okay.
So
You sure? I'm not sure anymore.
I don't know. We'll see.
But I rushed down the cocktail from Tyrone, so my hand a little heavy, right?
Yeah. Okay.
No, it's cook before you drink.
Yeah, correct.
And guys, I am using
added pepper before.
added pepper before. I am using this honey mustard. It's really fantastic. It's a perfect condiment, as I said, to anything. But when I add this to this shrimp and toss it, ideally, guys, I like to leave this marinating probably for at least about 6 hours or so. But I don't have 6 hours. Yeah. I need to feed you guys as soon as possible.
That'll be good because he drinks salad. Okay. Tyrone drinks that real hard.
Let me join you all. I haven't tasted it yet.
It's fantastic.
We could cheers. He's cooking, we drink.
Yeah.
That's what it's supposed to
Drink
be.
up, guys. So all you do now is you put on a nice single layer on a nice dish, and you're roasting this in the oven. I'm trying to get a single layer, if I can.
I like this. We drink, he cooks.
Yeah, you like.
This is like a perfect dinner party.
And this is what we'll be probably doing, Nyssa, over the next couple
I'm available.
weeks.
So if you need a light entertainment for your home,
I'm not talking about here, I'm talking at home by you.
Oh.
When you're doing the virtual, you need something to...
Right.
Yeah, that, right?
The reason we hit. Okay.
sorry about that.
This goes in the oven. I'm trying to feed these people because they're drinking a little too much.
Chicken.
Yeah. In the oven, bakes for just about 5 to 7 minutes. Shrimp doesn't take long to cook, so it really will whip up in just about 5 to 7 minutes. And I'll show you how wonderful this shrimp is.
So what temperature are you baking on?
At 400 degrees. All right, guys. So just after about 7 minutes or so, you get this guy. Oh my goodness.
Smiles on your face.
But
most of all, do you smell the honey mustard?
Of course, yeah.
Smell
The
it.
honey mustard is smelling amazing.
Smelling some pepper too.
Thank you. Yeah. It's our best pepper sauce.
We know it.
It's our best
I know
pepper
it
sauce. Guys, sample up. Let me know. Just tell me how it's tasting. You have individual spoons, individual forks, social distancing in effect. COVID protocols in effect. But I want to thank the folks at Adam's Sauces for making it possible. Full range. We're going to be using it over the next couple of weeks, as I said. Look out for some fantastic, easy to do recipes using these sauces.
Oh, nice.
Happy faces. We roll our recipes here and we're taking a short break. When we come back, we promise you, we've been teasing it. These two folks are going to engage in a little discussion as we look ahead as to what we can expect for a virtual Carnival 2021. Roll Out a Recipe came to you courtesy Adam's Original Gourmet Sauces. All natural ingredients.